Let's fix why you can't go live on TikTok. Now open up the TikTok app on your iPhone or Android. You should be able to go live just by tapping on the plus here, and you'll be able to see a live option. It says practice mode is available, and it gives me the option to go live. If you don't see that or it's missing on your account, you can check a couple different things. Let's hop out of here and let's open up a web browser. Keep in mind, there are some requirements. It does say you have to be at least 18 years or older to go live, and you have to have 1,000 followers in some regions. However, I'll show you my TikTok account. You'll be able to see I don't have 1,000 followers, and I still have that live option. So it depends on where you live, and it doesn't seem super clear on why some accounts under 1,000 followers have given that access. However, there's another place that we can check to be able to go live. Let's get into your TikTok studio instead and see if live is an option in here, and you can access it in here. Now you can see here is posts. Let's go over to live and check to see if on here you can tap on go live and see if it works from there. If it doesn't work from there, let's check a couple of other things. Let's go out of here and instead let's go to your settings. Now within your settings, all we need to do is go to the option that says free up space, and we're going to clear the cache and clear the downloads on your account. This kind of frees up everything and resets the TikTok app. Keep in mind, you might also just want to press and hold on it and to delete the app and reinstall it, see if that works as well. If any of these don't work, the next thing that we can do is back in the TikTok app here. All we need to do is get to the help center, because all you need to do is find where it says live. You can either go through all of these different options. You can see it says, how do I get live, or TikTok live requirements, or if live is missing, all of that stuff. Essentially, you can go through any of these, or you can just hit chat with us. And you can say, my live is missing. And you'll be able to see it responds. Usually, keep in mind, this is an AI responding to you. So you're not actually getting a person yet, but you can go through the process of getting an actual person to review it. All you need to do is go through this. Again, it says, do you meet these requirements? And did I really resolve your issue? And you can say, no, I want to talk to a representative. And then just go through this list until you find somebody, a physical person that you can actually talk to get that live reinstated on your account.